Hi everyone. I'm delighted to be part of the Writer's Way workshops, and I thought I'd give you a very quick rundown of what to expect. So, my name is Máire Fisher. I'm a writer and I run writing workshops with Chantel Stewart, another writer. We both live in Cape Town. So, we work very much with free writing, and the general principle, the guiding principle behind free writing is that you write as fast as you can and as much as you can without lifting your pen, without stopping to think, without worrying whether you're writing something correctly or whether you're going to offend somebody or whether you've spelt something right. None of those things should worry you. The only thing that should worry you is following one thought as it leads to another, and those thoughts will be in the background, directed by the prompts that you are given along the way. And by the end of a session, you will have generated enough material to create a poem and to have written a scene, and you'll gather some very useful tips about writing along the way and about writing to prompts. So the exercises are very open-ended. They are not prescriptive at all. You can use them for poetry, you can use them for fiction, you can use them for memoir, you can use them for creative nonfiction. And sometimes people just want to come along and try the writing exercises for fun to see where things will lead to. Whatever you want, basically, this workshop will offer you. And the theme, I might choose a theme or a particular idea, but it's always going to be open-ended and something that we are all familiar with or experience. So, and it will never close you down into a particular space or place. You can choose that for yourself with the writing. So, I hope to meet you on the screen and enjoy a very productive couple of hours with you. Okay.